Many of my friends asked me after watching my Instagram stories, "Did you bought any iPhone?" The answer is, no, I just used some tricks to get iPhone emojis, and here's the trick. If you are a Redmi user, open Theme app and search for iOS Emoji. Now scroll down, and click on More Fonts. Now select iOS V14 Emoji Pack. Click on Download or Apply. Allow to reboot your device. After rebooting, your emoji pack is installed. Enjoy and have fun with your iPhone emojis. If you are not a Redmi user, don't worry, I will post another video which is applicable for any Android phone. So stay with us. Follow me on Instagram at Jinu and Einstein.